Once the detector is compensated and ready for operation, it's time to look at the detection and pinpointing of a target. Hold the detector so the search head is parallel and as close as safely possible to the ground while sweeping side to side. To advance forward, it is recommended to move the search head forward a distance no more than 1/2 of the search head to ensure proper coverage. When no targets are present in the ground, only the confidence click once every 4 seconds is heard. When passing over a target, the center of the target corresponds to the change in alarm tones from high to low or low to high. The tones and duration will be different depending on the size of the metal mass detected. To pinpoint the center of the target, sweep the search head from side to side. When the alarm tone is changing from high to low or low to high, it is indicating the approximate center line of the target. Once you have confidently located the first center line, you can then move the detector along this line at a slight angle to get a second line and more accurately locate the target center. Multiple targets will give multiple indications. As target size increases, the tones increase. For an extremely large target, the tone will change to a rapid pulsing tone that will change from high to low pitch or low to high over the center of the large target.